Hello, so my name is Joseph Wade, and for this question, I'll be answering the discuss climate and climate change, anthropogenic and natural, and what are your views? And I have like a little stuff written down, but climate change is like basically just the Earth's climate changing all around us. It's becoming like unsustainable for people and animals, and especially just the climate that we had so long ago and the like the conditions of Earth, they're all changing, and a lot of it's due to us, and a lot of it's due to stuff that we can't really control and that we don't really have an effect on. So first, natural climate change, just like I said, it's the stuff that we really don't have an effect on as people. It's the stuff that just happens all around us, like for example the ice caps melting, and just like all the temperatures are getting higher every year. Annually, the summer temperatures are rising. The average temperatures, we're recording like new record-setting heat days all year. And so that's natural climate change, something that we can't really control or really impact as humans. And then also there's anthropogenic climate change. And this refers to all the damage that is done by human activities, like the release of greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, all our fossil fuels. And this is causing stuff like global warming and the rising sea levels. And it's making our weather pools like more extreme, the hot to cold, and the wind is getting more extreme in some places. And also one thing that's happening is the ocean is becoming more acidic, and that disrupts more ecosystems and harms the wildlife that's living in the ocean. And what we can do about that, and like my view, is that there's not too much we can do about like the release of greenhouse gases. We can switch over to electric vehicles, which a lot of places are starting to try to do. But then again, once you look at that, you have to look at the damage you'll have to cause to the environment to get those batteries and to get stuff to create those electric cars for everybody, and what you're going to do with all of the gas-powered vehicles once they're not allowed on the road anymore. So there's a lot of stuff that you have to look at. So to harm the environment, or to help the environment on the way we're going right now, I feel like we're going to have to cause more damage. So I feel like we need to look for another way than just start banning stuff and bringing new options into the table. So I feel like just like banning gas cars and stuff like that isn't really a good option. But I feel like if people just became more careful with like their plastic usage and stuff like that, and their energy usage, and just stuff that we don't really need. Like, I feel like a lot of the energy and a lot of the stuff that we put out into the environment is stuff that is not really necessary for our lives. So I feel like if people just started living like simpler lives and doing stuff that was only necessary and wasn't all just harmful for us and the environment, then our planet could start to like slowly come back to where it was before and be better for our future generations. So that's that.